Rumchaksa sakanti video na taong skin among pada chapter 13 ni surface areas and volumes exercise 13b dan gini babaknya class 10 emboss. Question number 3. Metallic spheres of radii 6 cm, 8 cm and 10 cm respectively are melted to form a single solid sphere. Tadi ino akan ani kita metallic sphere ronggutam dunga. Dimana skang pas sphere ni de radius 6 cm gini pani de 8 cm dimana gatam pani de 10 cm radius. Dimana ya metallic sphere ronggutam kora drone atana dimana ko drone atemana iko kesa solid sphere kemna tharis kaha. Find the radius of the resulting sphere. Tadi ya single solid sphere thari pani radius ko amnagta nanggen. Let V and R be the volume and radius of single solid sphere respectively. Tadi ya capital V jok volume, digimna capital R jok radius of single solid sphere. Let V1, V2 and V3 be the volumes of first sphere, second sphere and third sphere respectively. Tadi V1 de volume of first sphere, V2 de volume of second sphere or V3 de volume of third sphere. According to question, tadi question agan ini kita de ya sphere ronggutam ko sphere ronggutam ko drone atemna tadi de ya sphere rongsa ko form kas kagen. Ini man volume of single solid sphere equal to volume of first sphere plus volume of second sphere plus volume of third sphere. This implies that a volume of sphere ni formula de 4 by 3 pi r cube diba ino radius of single solid sphere de capital R ko ino onso ha. Ini ino radius of single solid sphere capital R ko na ino capital R cube ni siya. That 4 by 3 pi r cube equal to the V1. That the volume of first sphere the 4 by 3 pi radius de 6 cm ni given 6 cube plus the volume of second sphere de 4 by 3 pi 8 cube mana radius of second sphere de 8 plus the volume of third sphere de 4 by 3 pi r cube ni biya 10 cube. So this implies that r cube ko dunur kiya digimna ikode cross multiply kai rangya jakrachi 4 pi de kamachi digimna 3 de ko sakchi baska ha digimna de 4 pi by 3 kaman ongya yegi thamon ini bana 4 pi by 3 ko kaman raisia ha digimna under bracket de 6 cube 8 cube aro 10 cube dunur kiya digimna 6 cube de 216 plus the 8 cube de 512 plus 10 cube de 1000. Tadi ya kamani 4 pi kosakni 4 pi kama cancel ka ha digimna ya kamani 3 kosakni 3 cancel, and this implies r cube equal to the 216 plus 512 plus 1000 ka ode 1728 digimna 1728 ko factorize kan again I know 1728 ko factorize ka ha digimna 2 gigatam 2 gigatam or 3 gigatam no I even I go 2 cube into 2 cube into 3 cubes here. And this implies that the left hand side, right hand side are cube root apply kaha. And this implies that the cube or cube root cancel on maha in r equal to 2 into 2 into 3, and therefore r equal to the 12 centimeter. Yes, sir, radius of single solid sphere. Number 4. A solid metal cone with radius of base 12 cm and height 24 cm is melted to form solid spherical balls of diameter 6 cm each. That is a solid metal cone. They have any radius of base 12 cm. They have height of cone 24 cm. They have a metal cone kora drone atana but wrong solid spherical balls takemna atharia ha. They have ball wrong truck ni diameter de 6 cm. Find the number of balls thus form. Tade ball by terong dunga uko amnagda nange. tadi radius of cone iko small r ni mana siya ha yarong jok 12 cm degimna height of the cone iko small h ni siya ha yarong jok 24 cm degimna radius of sphere kuna capital R ni siya ha jera kode ya small r or capital R one dingtang kani ko machine managta small r ong jok radius of cone degimna capital R ong jok radius of sphere ni machine managta degimna capital R ong jok 3 cm ya 3 cm bani ko manana ya diameter of sphere ni ko manane tawde radius te phangnan diameter ni atha ini man kana ya diameter ko half kana again radius ko manag dare tawde diameter de 6 cm ini man 6 ko half ka against mode 3 cm ini man radius of sphere de 3 cm therefore the volume of cone equal to ini formula de 1 by 3 pi r square h and this is equal to 1 by 3 pi equal to by don't change could examine again 1 by 3 pi into tawde r de 12 dimna square dunga ini 12 into 12 siska ha into dimna h de 24 tawde 3 de 12 pore 4 times tawde 1 into 4 into 12 into 24 yan ko multiply kawde 1152 dimna ya pi dunga ini 1152 pi centimeter cube yes a volume of cone and volume of sphere equal to any formula there 4 by 3 pi capital R cube and this is equal to 4 by 3 pi the given capital R there 3 in given R ni paper 3 again dimana no cube to one given 3 into 3 into 3 siska so the common 3 kosakni 3 cancelled the given 4 into 3 de 12 12 into 3 de 36 arrow pi one given 36 this is equal to 36 pi centimeter cube therefore number of balls so the number of balls ko find out kana that ya volume of cone ko volume of sphere chi divide kana ngen so ane de ya volume of cone ko ya sphere rongsani spherical ball rongsani volume chi divide kana ngen the volume of cone de 1152 pi divided by volume of sphere de 36 pi the common pi ko sakni pi cancel de gamna 36 chi 1152 divide kawde 32 na pia so this is equal to 32 so the mashaha number of balls 32